Bali Children's Project is excited to tell you about our 125 graduates from school in 2024, who all came together in a special event to celebrate their achievements. This is a very special occasion because it marks the turning point in these children's lives. In Bali, there are various causes for school, meaning children from families in poverty often drop out. Based on official government figures, in 2023 alone, approximately 1 in 5 students did not graduate from school. The sponsorships are interventions that will change their lives forever. Instead of dropping out of school and facing a life of labor or menial day work, their graduation means that they can reach for their dreams instead. Breaking the cycle of poverty in their families is crucial for them and their families. It puts an end to generational poverty, meaning that one day their children will be able to access school.
CSR 5 Limited for sponsoring me.
Supporting children who are at risk of dropping out, our sponsorship program provides them with all that they need to graduate, from covering their school entry fees to uniforms and other fees. Our graduation marked the end of a long road for these students and the start of a new chapter. The event welcomed all students who are graduating this year and congratulated them for achieving what once seemed impossible. We held the event to foster a sense of pride and achievement for these students. It was a great opportunity for students to celebrate and meet fellow sponsored students. In 2024, our graduating students were made up of 74 girls and 51 boys, all of whom now have graduated from high school, college, and university thanks to their sponsors.
Thanks Chan for sponsoring me, and now I can graduate from my college. Bye-bye!
We have been hearing all about their future plans too, from those who are going on to university to students who have secured their dream jobs already.
Saat ini saya lulusan S1 Pendidikan Teknik Elektro di Universitas Pendidikan Ganesha. Untuk saat ini kesibukan saya sambil menyusun skripsi, lanjut kerja di The Ritz-Carlton Bali sebagai engineer. Ayah saya sendiri sudah meninggal dari saya kelas 2 SD 2008 atau 2009 itu tepatnya. Dan ibu saya sendiri untuk membiayai saya dan adik saya dari kecil. Dari Bali Children ini sangat besar sumbangsihnya ke saya. Dari SMA itu kan saya berdiskusi dengan ibu saya, kalau kuliah ibu nggak ada biaya untuk kuliahnya gitu. Kalau bisa, dan kebetulan saya dapat bidik misi dan Bali Children ini bisa juga membiayai untuk bekal kuliah saya. Jadi saya astungkara sampai saat ini bisa melanjutkan kuliah sampai sudah selesai S1. Dan selanjutnya mau melanjutkan pendidikan profesi. Siapa tahu bisa menjadi guru untuk kedepannya, itu aja.
Saat ini saya sedang bekerja di Ayana Resort Bali and Spa di Jimbaran. Saya bekerja di restoran di bidang FB service tentunya. Jadi manfaat yang saya dapatkan dari program Bali Children Project, saya bisa melanjutkan sekolah saya, sehingga saya bisa berkuliah dan menuntut ilmu, sehingga saya bisa bekerja saat ini. Pekerjaan kedua orang tua saya sebagai petani, orang tua saya tamatan SMP. Jadi harapan saya ke depannya, semoga saya sukses dan saya bisa bekerja di kapal pesiar, karena itu mimpi saya.
Terima kasih Bali Children Project dan sponsor saya itu Roger dan Barbara.
Saya ucapkan terima kasih banyak kepada sponsor saya, Fifth Lemons Retreat, yang sudah mendukung saya selama ini sehingga saya bisa berkuliah sampai saya bisa bekerja sampai saat ini. Semoga Fifth Lemons sehat selalu, sukses, dan terus bisa membantu generasi-generasi berikutnya.
Anggas and Rizka's stories are just examples of how much of a difference sponsorships can make to their lives. Some of our sponsors also join us to celebrate and see their sponsored student graduate.
Why do we support Bali Children's Project? As part of 5 Elements philosophy of Trihita Karana, being good to nature, being good to the gods, and of course being good to humans, we put a heavy emphasis on sponsoring children and sponsoring future careers. And I use a saying that's often called, behind every good society is good education.
Kind of giving different fulfillment actually to see kids and teenagers, especially to have the spirit of continue to striving for better future with education.
Saya sangat senang bahwa kami dari Bali Dynasty Resort dapat berkontribusi sehingga beberapa dari siswa-siswi yang kami sponsori dapat kami lihat secara langsung lulus di tahun ini. Semoga mereka dapat melanjutkan mimpi-mimpi mereka dan bekerja di tempat yang mereka impikan. Saya juga berharap dapat bertemu dengan mereka secara langsung nanti di tempat kerja. Sampai ketemu lagi dan semoga Bali Children Project semakin sukses ke depannya. Semakin banyak murid-murid yang lulus berkat bantuan dari Bali Children Project.
We started with 8 children in 2008. So 125 kids who are graduating both high school and college is something that we never even dreamt was possible. I find these children absolutely amazing. Nothing could make me prouder or happier than to see these kids who struggled so hard in their lives, who wanted nothing more than to go to school and to get an education and to have a chance to not be threatened constantly by the fear of having to drop out. To see them now excited and happy and ready to enter the working world or go to college, it's absolutely thrilling.
So, it is with our sincerest gratitude that we thank our kind sponsors for enabling all of this to happen. Without your support, these children would have had limited opportunities in life. Now, their futures are wide open.
Thank you Mandy and Brad for sponsoring me. Finally, I graduated. Yay!
The sponsorship program, like any other BCP program, is managed by unbelievably competent women who take on all of the different facets. They take care of the children's finances, their welfare, they deliver the funds that the sponsorships send, and they make sure the kids are okay. Nothing would work well without the sponsorship team.
If you would like to support a student to complete high school, please visit our website.
BCP Sponsorship!